Minglaba, Tini lesson ma, grade 11 chemistry you ha, chapter 10, nitrogen and its compound kanga, laboratory preparation of dinitrogen oxide N2O and nitrogen oxide NO ye megon torigo pipiba me. Number 3, laboratory preparation of dinitrogen oxide. Pramazo, dinitrogen oxide N2O ye megon torigo sabiro piba me. Dinitrogen oxide, da kwegama topore pongo beta B, Alma popiare megonu, pibiabame. Number A, identify A, B, and C. Pongo chipiro A, B, C yet popiajagu pibiamawa. Pongma, Ega bao popiatale soyi, Aulong pambulema tetare, debut bioye, mixture of potassium nitrate and ammonium sulfate solution ma. Bigaro, hot water. Container ma tetara, yebu pipare. Number C. Cigaro, gas jar ma sutare, dangwe, dinitrogen outside ba. Number B. Write down the equation in words and symbols for the reaction that plates. Dakwega ma dangwe topore, W nimya jingo yibiaba me. Ammonium sulfate, NH4 twice SO4 plus, potassium nitrate, KNO3, arrow to heat, ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3 plus, potassium sulfate, K2SO4. Piroma, nauta yashi lare, ammonium nitrate, NH4NO3 ha, decompose, pyogwe biro, dinitrogen oxide N2O plus, water H2O yabame. Equation O, nyang yabame. Dangwe topo bon, W nimya jinigo, sadayo thingitaba, jameli jinta maba. Number C ga, how would you collect these gas? Why? Didangwe main belu sudale, Bapilu elu sudale surau pibiamaba. Dinitrogen oxide N2O gas is collected over hot water because it is fairly soluble in cold water. Dinitrogen oxide N2O gas ka ye ema anenge pyowine atwe ye bugo outdo shoja si do ni phit susang mare. Notable, nitrogen oxide NO dakwege ne ma thok pho bong ne pattat de megon tori ko phei ba me. Megon pongsan along ha atutu ba be. Da pai me dangwe matu de atwet jaung mlo athong pyu de apparatus kwẹ pya ba me. Belo susang ne sura kwẹ pya ba me. Achaung pya chet le matu ro ba u. W equation ko le tija dangwe ne twẹ pi ro chet ya ba me. Number A, identify A, B, and C. Pongma A ha ba ho pho pya dale. A ga copper ho pho pya ra ba. B ga ro distill fan ne ya ne laung cha ra phit de atwet jaung mlo dilute nitric acid ba. C ga container re ma thai tha ra cold water ba. D ga ro gas jar re ma su tha re nitrogen oxide NO phit pare. C. Write down the equation in words and symbols for the reaction that takes place. Nitrogen oxide NO thok pho de W equation ko yi khai na ba. Copper Cu plus dilute nitric acid HNO3 arrow copper 2 nitrate CuNO3 twice plus nitrogen oxide NO plus water H2O. Thongsan dai equation formula ro ye pi bi so lo shi yin equation ko techa nhit ya ba me. In words ko in symbol ko piet song ang phit pi ya ma ba. Number C. How would you collect this gas? Why? Thongsan dai me nitrogen oxide NO ko belo su saung dale ba phit lo elo su dale. Nitrogen oxide NO gas is collected over cold water because it is insoluble in water. Nitrogen oxide NO ko ye A ko outdo shoja si do ni phin su saung ne NO ha ye ma ma pyo ba u. Dini lesson ma laboratory preparation of dinitrogen oxide N2O ne laboratory preparation of nitrogen oxide NO ne thasai ne megon tori ko phit pi tha pare. Now lesson ni ma chan shi ni de dangwe de ko set pi do phit pi ba aw me. See you next lessons. Bye bye.